Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tabitha. I am a seamstress and swimwear designer. I also like to create my own clothing on a budget, and I love to teach others how to do so as well. In this tutorial, I will show you how I turned this $2 fabric into a trendy, sexy dress. Let's get into it. This knit stretch fabric, it was 3 yards for $8. I say that I made a dress for $2 because it took me only about 1 yard out of the three to create this dress. Therefore, this dress cost me only $2.66 to make. I used a dress pattern that I had and altered it a little bit to create this pattern for the look that I wanted. I folded the fabric in half so that I could cut both the front and back of the dress at the same time. Now that both the front and back of the dress is cut out, I will now pin all of these areas that I will sew. I am pinning the sides on the bottom, the sides of the top, leaving open the cutouts, and cutting and pinning the shoulder seams. Next, I took my fabric over to my serger and I am sewing down all of the areas that I pinned, the sides and the shoulder seam. I also added a hem to the bottom. Here is how my dress came out that I created for just $2.66. If you would like to learn how to sew, or if you would like to see more tutorials on how to create your own trendy clothing on a budget, subscribe to my page. I have a ton of sewing videos and I will be creating new videos weekly. Please take the time to give this video a like if you found it informative or entertaining. It would really help me out and it would let me know what you guys want to see more of. Happy sewing!